Hello and welcome to Finsbury Park Garden. This is a gorgeous place. I think it was shut down for quite a while and got redeveloped, refurbished, and just reopened again. And it's looking very beautiful, right bang in the middle of summer here. So let me just give you some quick information according to Wikipedia. Finsbury Circus is a park in the Coleman Street ward of the City of London, England. The 2-acre park is the largest public open space within the city's boundaries. It is not to be confused with Finsbury Square, just north of the city, or Finsbury Park, a few miles away. So there's a lot of different Finsbury gardens and parks and things like that, and this is the one right in the centre of the City of London. Let's go and enjoy. That's a good thing about London. They have lots of these little gardens and green space just right bang in the middle of all these high-rise blocks. Very impressive. I like it. I wish they have some flowers though. It's mostly greens. They've got some gorgeous big trees which give you the shade, but everything else just kind of green foliage. I like my flowers. I prefer some beautiful flowers or something. Give it a bit of colour, otherwise it's just green. Yeah, so garden designers, if you hear this, next time put some flowers in these parks and gardens. That would make it so much more beautiful. Whereas right now, it just looks a bit too green,
Okay, Nas, we're here.
It'd be nice to have some colour. Very nice. That's a good thing about London. They have lots of these green space just randomly everywhere. Pretty impressive. Well, you look well tan, woman. Did a big walk there. Yeah. Nice. Is it good? That's nice. Oh, so there are some purple flowers here. Nice. Yeah, it'd be nice if they have a bit more flowers, a bit colour, because it's just all green.
Summer, that's when it's spring, isn't it? It's a summer hotspot.
Is it? I guess so. Got some flowers there. Nice. Yeah. I know what this is now. Black Eye Susan. Saw it the other day. Very nice. African daisies, these big ones. Oh, that way. Back into here.
رحلة.
Oh, there's some gorgeous flowers here. Let's check them out. Beautiful. Oh, let's walk over there.